Hi, and welcome to this explainer video about product management and A/B testing. This video aims to help you connect the concepts of your studies with the fundamentals of product management. We aim to explore data-driven product management and A/B testing. Let's start with the basics. Product management is all about the touchpoints with your customers, new and existing products, putting the customers at the very center of your product, and how to turn product ideas into revenue and profits for your business. There are many ways to capture the wants and needs of your customers, but we want to focus on the most important and meaningful ones, such as the analysis of the market with trends and drivers. Then you can talk to your customers to obtain a deeper understanding. And then there is the data. Most non-tech savvy people freak out when they see pictures like this, but this is how companies are run these days. The usage of data and the translation of this data into actionable insights is more important than ever. An important tool that helps in product management is experimentation. Experimentation with customers helps you to test early in your product development process to see how your product is perceived or if a pivot is necessary. Experimentation is a significant source of innovation. With the insights and data from experiments, you minimize bias and decision making based on assumptions and gut feeling. Experimentation is also an important pillar in the lean startup framework of build, measure, and learn. Now it's time to dive deeper into experimentation and talk about A/B testing. A/B tests are efficient statistical tools to experiment with versions of your product and find the one that delivers the most value to your customers. Split tests can be used to test your landing pages, app versions, email newsletters, or even digital ads. A/B tests begin with the research of data, followed by the formulation of a hypothesis and the construction of the A and B version of your product. After that, the testing takes place and the results are analyzed. As simple as that. Let's jump onto an example. Imagine we are running an e-commerce business. Our three major objectives are many customers on our website, high conversion rates, and maximized revenue per customer. Lately, we have observed lower click-through rates and smaller basket sizes compared to the industry benchmarks. We are wondering what the reason for that could be. Solution-oriented, we are looking at our website. We see different angles for change, but where should we start? We could change the layout of our page, the call to action, the pictures, or even the recommendations that are shown to our customers. As we are doing an A/B test, we focus only on one variable. In our case, the call to action. We think that a call to action visible directly on the arrival increases our click-through rate. This is then implemented into our versions, and we have now two pages in place. On the left side, the old one, also called the control, and the new one, the challenger, on the right side. Our sample is split up into two equally and randomly distributed groups. No worries, this is something the tools do for you automatically. And then the magic happens. We are finally testing with our customers. What is happening in our test? Users are coming to our website. The difference is that users are randomly assigned to one of our two pages without even noticing. Customers engage with our site, they browse through our products and look at all the different items. They also do not recognize that their behavior is tracked and analyzed. Our test looks at how likely users are to click on our call to action that is visible on the landing page. In our case, we can derive a meaningful test result and identify a so-called winner. The new version of our site has proven to increase the click-through rate of our site visitors significantly. Let's have a look at the numbers. Our new version has proven to increase the click-through rate from 1.5% to 1.67%, which is an uplift of around 10%. We also see as a secondary result that revenue per shopper has increased by around 8%. Great results! We are on the right track to optimize our website to its full potential. At this point, the A/B test is not over. We want to achieve the best possible scenario with our site. We can now take the winning version with the call to action on the arrival page and continue this loop until we find the best version. We could experiment now with the call to action itself, change the exact position or the font size, or we take the optimized page and dig deeper into other aspects, such as the pictures or the layout. To dig deeper into the topic of A/B testing, I can recommend having a look at these tools. They help you set up your A/B tests properly and give you well-structured results. Examples are Optimizely, BWO, or HubSpot. For further education, there are a variety of different courses available on LinkedIn Learning, YouTube, or Coursera. They help you to get a more deeper understanding of A/B testing and how you can practically implement those in your test runs. Finally, I want to emphasize on the 4 most important key takeaways. Data matters. Always listen to your customers, make use of the tools, and try to use this concept wherever you can in your organization. I hope you could take away some meaningful learnings from our deep dive into product management and A/B testing. Have fun testing and always be optimizing.